Hi there, Tracy Peary with Hope for the Journey. We have been getting a lot of people on the phones that are talking about it just being so hard to find a therapist and wondering why. So I thought I would answer that question. Why is it so hard to find a therapist these days? And it really comes down to a lot of things, but really top three. The first one is that most people don't reach out until they're in a crisis or something, propels them and says it's bad enough now that I can reach out for it. And so when you're in distress, it's going to be a lot harder, right? Anything that you do when your emotions are up is going to be a lot harder. So just in and of itself, know that if you're trying and it's feeling hard, part of it is just that it's a hard moment. But the second thing is that most therapists don't have the time or the resources to be available or have good business systems in place to answer people's, questions, return phone calls. That's a lot of time that it takes to really be able to answer those pieces. And therapists are either, not paid well by insurance companies, or they're not taught in school any business stuff. And so, it really can take a lot, particularly for clinicians that are out there on their own, for them to create those systems for themselves to make sure that clients are well taken care of. And the third reason that it's so hard is that dating around is so exhausting, right? It is really important to get the right fit. And finding out about therapists, reading their websites, that sort of thing is no guarantee that it's going to be an actual good energy, person-to-person fit. So that's why we feel so lucky to have a full-time client care coordinator, Nia, who's just super, super helpful and is really a great matchmaker. That's what we call her, as our little Hope for the Journey matchmaker. And it's we feel very, very privileged to be able to have her. So if you're out there and you're overwhelmed with the process, definitely take good care of yourself, keep going. But Nia is also there, whether or not you're a good match for Hope for the Journey. She is happy to help point you in the right direction if a referral is actually a better thing. And so we just want to do our part in helping those people that are out there trying to find a therapist, really struggling with it. We know that it's hard. It's hard for a lot of reasons, but there are some people out there like Nia that are here to help. Thanks.